Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple software blockers. Check the ring/silent switch and volume, then open settings right arrow sounds and haptics to ensure system haptics is on. Once done, update iOS to the latest version because many haptic failures are software-related. Make sure to back up now. You'll need a backup for the next steps. Finally, perform a normal restart to let updates and toggles take effect. This often fixes inconsistent vibrations without further work. If simple fixes fail, you repair the OS using recovery mode because a fresh system resolves deeper haptic corruption. First, back up to iCloud or Finder/iTunes. Then connect the device with a certified cable, boot into recovery mode and choose Update. If Update fails, choose Restore. You do this because Restore replaces problematic firmware and drivers that control the Taptic engine. Make sure the computer stays powered and the cable remains connected. Interruptions can complicate the repair. After a successful restore, test haptics in settings right arrow sounds and haptics and by tapping system controls. You want consistent, repeatable feedback. If problems persist, run Apple Diagnostics through the support app or contact support so they can check the Taptic engine and connectors. If diagnostics show hardware faults, schedule an Apple Store or authorized repair because the only reliable hardware fix is component replacement. Troubleshooting tip. If tests show intermittent vibration,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.